You got him?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah. Recording now.
Yeah. Les Schultz, Norseman. Got a bushfire happening here. Some of our bushfires are 100 kilometres long. There's a lot of bush being burnt. A lot of this comes down to government never been managing our lands properly. You know, they took the responsibility away from indigenous First Nations to burn off country. So our cool cultural burns have been taken away, and then so government looks after the responsibility of all these lands, and then this is what happens. They don't manage it properly. They don't take off the fuel loads, and so we lose heaps of bush, wildlife, reptiles, and the world loses. Not just Ngadju, but and other nations, but the world loses. And so Australia's got to wake up and come away from ignorance to acceptance that indigenous First Nations of Australia, we are the people to manage these lands, cool burns, and government needs to resource us to do that. And that needs to happen like years ago. But so anybody out there, just send them an email to the government. Tell them we want to get indigenous people, land managers, fire managers on country doing cool burns. It'll prevent catastrophes like this bushfire you see here. And it's got another 100 kilometre bushfire 100 k's from here, and another 100 kilometre bushfire to the west. So yeah, it's up to us. We want to preserve our wildlife in a good way. We have to get the true land managers back into their responsibility, which is to look after the land. So yeah, indigenous people back to cool burns. That's the answer to all of Australia's wildfires. Yeah.